And good morning. All right. Well, hey, Sam. Happy Thursday. We made it past Wednesday. Pour some tea real quick. Or slowly. It only moves so fast. Say, hit the mic with my headset. I am feeling a little better. I think I'm still on the tail end of it, though. Okay. So this morning, I think. So I made a couple more changes to buyer. So I finished up the config bits. Config, there's create config file here, and that loads content, right? It gets the defaults. Oh wait, not that one. Sorry. uh, Here, this one. So we have a public new, and this is what you would use for regular kind of library development, or basically something for our VFS where you don't have the possibility to load command line arguments, but you still want some defaults. And then the second one takes the output from the defaults and the arguments from the other and joins them into a config. I also, where is it? I think it's in this section here. Added the ability to be able to specify arguments further in to, sorry, this is better explained with an example here. Oh, perfect. So in the case of the notes application, we actually want to specify some setting for the VFS, right? The application dot mutation FIFO. And if we remember, not this one, with VFS settings, we have application and mutation FIFO. Okay, it does have a default, but we're overriding it. The telemetry bits all have defaults, but the double underscore is used as a dot now. So you can specify, after the prefix, and don't double underscore there, just regular underscore, just one, then application dot mutation FIFO. And the casing doesn't matter. So we got that in place. Everything pretty much starts with no issue now. Yep. So this is all good. App loads down here. It's not crashing. It's finding a FIFO file. Perfect. Okay. Now, what I wanted to do was update some of the documentation for buyer, maybe with some example code in the documentation. So this is pretty light. kind of want something with like a markdown preview. Does Zed do markdown preview? I don't remember. Let's see. Ah, here we go. Let's grab some code to maybe give a little bit of an example. Let's use data plane as an example, maybe. We'll trim this down. Let's call that, let's grab it from data archive. This one is set up better. I just pasted the same thing again. Grab it, paste, there we go. Oh, and this is in Vim mode. Okay. Application configuration generation. Lots of shuns there. Application config. I don't know. That bothers me. Does it bother you? It bothers me. Let's see. Fire is applications should have a consistent Let's use, there we go. Must. Let's get an example. Target. What? Target deck fate. I have no idea what that is. Whatever. Let's go back to this pane. Target debug. Data archive. Let's grab this. Weird. It's not really bash, is it? This is like terminal. Configuration generation. Configuration. I don't know. Config generation. There. It uses Doku. Wrong way. How do we do this again? Is that it? No. The other way? There we go. Okay. following settings struct. Oh, let's do that. Let's grab an example. -d foobar.toml. Okay. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I want, what was it, data archive? No, this is the other one. There we go. Give that a copy. Where is it? Here. Okay, we have application. Application just 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. These are gone. Oh, Helix doesn't support the side-by-side markdown preview. More than Museum. Oh, interesting. There are a few applications for rendering markdown in the terminal. That's interesting. Yeah, we're kind of introducing the actors here. Config generation. We can generate config. Uses Doku. Following the settings. Okay. Let's see. The CLI argument. Let's see. The clap create is used for. streaming later today as well. Oh, are you streaming? Yeah. Yes, okay. Um, as you can see, the doc comments written into the config. The, what was it called? Doku example. Oh, interesting. So Z has its own markdown parser. Huh. Well, it is pretty quick. Okay, so we have config generation. Do we need Tokyo main here? It's kind of useful for the telemetry bits. Oh yeah, sign in for a text editor. Yeah. Hey, what is the name for replication? Say, Marcos. Um, I'm not quite sure what you're asking, but the application we're building, or rather the stack, is called Reverb. And to illustrate the... Oh dear, I am not in dark mode yet. My apologies. Well, there we go. Dark mode. Okay, yeah, it's a little better. Um, so yeah, we're writing some documentation for the opinionated telemetry config argument parser thing, amalgamation, if you will. It's a collection of crates. This is one of those text-friendly jokes, isn't it, Museum? A friend was bragging about their vacation to their favorite city in France. That must be nice. Nice. Yes. Okay. So we have that and that. And felt like the theme changed. Oh, it did. Oh, my apologies for the flashing there. Okay. Custom argument overrides for Interesting. I got a note that says possible ban evader monitoring. Huh. Huh. There's not much of a difference between Superman and a toddler. One has supervision, and one requires it. All right. CLI. I have never tested this. I'm not going to write about that yet. Good morning. How you doing, Mars? And Shandu, how are you? Let's see. Application startup. Put in config file. Why is the sentence different from a polar bear? I don't know why. One has a pause at the end of its clause, and the other has clause at the end of its pause. Ooh, I like it. It's a good one, Museum. Environment variable override. No, let's see. Overriding values in an nested structure is possible. Let's see. Let's link to the Figment documentation on this. Oh, I saw that Figment has some Rust 2024 issues. I'm not sure how we would fix that. Let's see. I'll show you in a moment, though. It has to do with the never type, because they implement some things for all types. Yes, I was going for env. Prefixed map. No, no, no. Where's split? Here's split. I wanted to override the. Did I do this wrong? I think I deleted too much here. Oh, I see. To set a maximum Rust version. Got it. Okay. Is this actually right? This config. Oh, it is. Okay. Hmm. I need a better example. Settings, application. No, no, okay. If you wanted to override the application listen port, I wonder how to fix it though. It seems like it would be a decent contribution. Yeah, we might get into that. Big overrides from the environment. Okay. And open telemetry. I don't think they're actually doing anything with the never type. Let me show you. Oh, and yeah, please go ahead and toss your ideas out. Mars, pick our brains. Uh, so coming into here, let's check. Hmm. Source lib. Where was it? It was. We're getting the issue. Check. HP. I think it was here. Oh, it had a warning. It had a warning that was saying something about the never type in 2024. Not saying like it's not doing it again though. It's probably very far back in my buffer here. Does GhostTTY have a search? It does not look like it. Oh, interesting. So Mars, you want to build a 3D shipbuilder program for space engineers. We're going to use a WPF, Windows something framework with C Sharp, since space engineers works with C Sharp for writing mods. Is it in Figlet? Oh, Figment. Um, it could be. I think it is. Let's see. I go to the repository here. Yeah. This is it. I was looking at the issues, see if anybody else noticed it. Saw this, dropped a link in there. Uh, Here, let's grab this for a moment. It's fine. All right. I don't know what I was seeing then. All my warnings. I scroll up without using my mouse wheel. Control? No, no. Oh, is this it? Ah, there we go. Much faster. Yeah, it's going to be around here somewhere. I do wish there was a better way to search for this. No, cannot infer that type. Yeah, I remember that. Not seeing it. No, I don't want to split. No, no splitting. Do I have... Yeah, I'm not here. Let's see if I can find. Hmm. Maybe we'll find. Oh, dupe of that. Okay, so it's not there yet. See, could it have been Doku? I think it was. I think when I was working in Bayer, and I was doing something in here with defaults and serialized. Interesting that it's not still showing that. I wonder if, see, I think I ended up having a different set of types here. I didn't have default, right? It's for anything that implemented serialized but not default. Let's do that. Yeah. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. So we were doing something like this. Yeah, the never type fallback stuff is about a Rust function returning never and an unsafe function returning unit. And it's not matching. I didn't get the sense that it was coming from the YAML bits. Um, I remember it being in the new file, not over here. Well, I guess that is the new file here. The YAML stuff gets parsed down. Oh, TOML. I was using TOML, so I'm not using YAML. Okay. And I remember just looking into serialized and wondering why it was happening. And then later seeing that, okay, providers implemented for all T that implement serialize. TOML definitely is all safe Rust. Well, that's good to know. Yeah, so it is using uh, YAML as a dependency. Whatever this one is, Pigment, because you can load from TOML and YAML and whatever JSON. Okay. Um, but I wanted to have just a tiny bit of documentation before I bumped the next version of Buyer, because I felt bad about not having anything. Um, Application startup, config overrides from the environment. Okay. Open telemetry, setting up the connection to optimal telemetry systems, calling init. Let's copy from up here. Well, that provider for T serialized could lead to it. Okay. But the warning is when a safe function is called from an unsafe function. And one word. Well, this was being called from my very unsafe VFS plugin. And one returns never, but the other returns unit. I see. I don't know that I was doing that. So I'm required to return a C int. I see. It could lead to unbound and LLVM. Hmm. Oh, I see. Because Rust will optimize things out because of its divergence checks, and C, C++, and LLVM, it's totally valid to remove empty loop bodies. Oh, fun. Logging. Not much code actually uses never. Besides stuff like standard process support. Oh, I was using exit. Oh, interesting. So let's go back to the code. So in VFS, nope, wrong window. VFS lib here. I, we're, it's not unsafe, but it's extra in C. Here we call buyer to get our config set up. And it's possible in here that if something doesn't work, let's say in the config setup, that exit is called, right? Of course. So maybe I just ran into that. It's returning the result of exit to a C function. Hmm. Well, not inside of buyer. Inside of buyer, I exit everything. Where is it? Oh, but not here. I don't do it here. I only do that if you're using the CLI invocation. Here we process exit. Okay, yeah, no, I was wrong. It's but you're using its return value as a value. Oh, I see. See, this is logs or metrics to Console logs are always enabled. You want to disable. Now, if you want to disable console logs, what is it, to off or never? I forget. Oh, you need to return a semicolon to turn never into unit. I may have an exit at the end of a function. Let's check. Oh, right here. Look at that. What is this? That's clap exit. And that has a semicolon. Oh, but it's. Huh. Fascinating. Do you think that, I mean, that, guess that could have been it? Did I have any other exits in here? They're all in the same file. No, no. All right, good. Metrics available are available to disable setting traces, logs, or metrics. You can remove the optional endpoint. You want to disable console logs. Oh, do you know what the value is to disable console logs? Yeah. Is there a way to set it to like a, I remember like a off or never console? Oh, off is a env logger. Okay, got it. In this case, we're using tracing and everything that stacks up on top of that. So this would be, so with telemetry here, We use log provider. So off is correct. Interesting. Okay. Oh, yep. You're absolutely right. Look at that. And let's set it to off. All right. Well, this is a lot better than what we had. I intend to keep improving the documentation on this, especially on the Rust side of things. Um, Hopefully, it gets people just enough to get involved. Let's see. Oh, Museum, did you have um, your clippy warnings that are good to have before releasing? I forget. You used to have a set of those. Oh, yours are for Rust 2018. Gotcha. Yeah, I was just checking because I haven't either. I just used yours. Okay. Um, da, da, da. Here is a big crate like Saturday. Most downloaded. Here we go. Hash brown. Interesting. I like regex or GIF. Okay. Actually, I want to see GIF. That's the date time one, right? Yeah. My goodness. I. This is just amazing. Like, what is this? 650 lines. Hey, Sudo. I'm well. How are you doing? Oh, interesting. GIF currently not supported. Non. Okay, that's understandable. Hmm. There we go. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Missy. You're doing well. Got a new ball for your trackball mouse. Interesting. Your mind is doing flips trying to understand what the heck the report is doing. Yeah. These tags at the top, man. Let's look at the README. Nice. Oops, wrong way. Yeah, man, I really love using crates that have awesome documentation, and I would like to get better at it. It's cute. These are mostly one edition behind because of stability. And that's absolutely fine for a buyer. I was just concerned that it was, I don't know, introducing something to some people that they, I don't know, they would propagate out. Man, I have not been drinking enough today. And pour some more tea. It's been cold this week, really cold. Looking forward to a bit of snow. I hope it happens soon. Not a ton of snow, just enough to have fun with. We'll see what happens. Let's rearrange some of this. Oops. Oh, Vim. Oh, this is going to get me today. Copy. What? Why is it not copy? There it is. I try. Okay. This is going to be Halsey buyer. Let's get rid of this line. Did I mess one of these up? I think I did. This one? No, it's there. Okay. Goes to there, there, okay. Huh. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Buyer. Oh. A CI badge could just be a docs.rs badge. This one here. Hey, Knighton, how are you? Where do I find the energy to program for work and for fun? Well, I don't get to do a lot of programming at work. I get to do a small amount of programming at work. Yeah, I don't talk about work though. I forgot. If it builds on docs.rs, it builds and passes unit tests. Oh, I see. This one here, you're saying. Gotcha. I wonder, yeah, okay. I think for me, that's fine. They probably have something a bit more advanced. I do not have build status. Um, at least they kind of show up now. Okay, shields, docs, buyer. This is interesting. I've never seen shields.io. What is that? Consistent, legible badges. All right, fancy. I see they suggest using shields.io now. Huh. Who's paying for this? You can donate. Got it. Paid volunteers for the hosting costs. Great. Okay. Fancy. All right. Is there a page on docs.rs that says something about the build? Buyer dependencies. So I know if we go to source, we get builds. Here we go. There. That will work. It's good. Okay. Use them for that. Let's say copy link. This. Hmm. I'm not familiar with the three, and I'm also not familiar with the this here. Oh wait, no, that's here. What is the exclamation used for here? Documentation, docs badge, docs. Oh, is it an image? It's for a footer citation. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Or remote links. Got it. Got it. Okay. I've got that. Da, da, da. Just real quick. Um, or was it Jeff? encourages you to jump into the pit of success. What? Personality. Love it. That's great. All right. Let's document everything and just improve as we go along. I wanted this one. Might as well start there. That's the pit of success. I thought that was funny. All right. Wow. Only 45 things are missing. Uh, oh, thank you. Let's see, let's close this window. Close. Let's see, window. Cool. There we go. Why can't I split? No, no. Huh. There we go. Split right. Off for a moment, because it's going to be too annoying. All right. Oh, that would be great. Yeah. Missing docs, unused variables. Let's see. Um, buyer. Buyer is opinionated, period. It's a collection of Craig. Yes, the bootstrap now. Hmm. Buyer is intended to. No. Use buyer. provides Doku and Figment. Ooh, in the lens section. I never knew about that. Well, that's cool. Sorry, I'm looking at it in another browser. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, workspace wide. Oh, that's perfect. Logging and tracing. Let's see. Via tracing. Let's double check on that. Open telemetry, yes. Okay. Logging, tracing, and metrics. Okay. Switching editors does not help me. Okay. Read me. How did I do that? This. Copy. There we go. Yeah, this should cause an issue. But I feel like here we could actually put more in the inside. Instead of throwing it at the top of each, yeah. So the current get would be more useful. Gotcha. All here. Document all the things. Yep. Commenting that out. Let's go here. Init says for telemetry. Hmm. Let's see. Let's start with the telemetry backend. Oh, I think this, of course, requires Tokyo. We should probably mention that. Let's go back to telemetry. Starts the telemetry backend. Let's see. Uses service info. How does it do that for? Uses service info to provide. I think it's the naming, right? To provide the service name. Yeah. Hmm. Disable metrics. Tracing. Or was it logging? Gross documentation. Amusing, you write pretty great documentation. What is your method? Conversationalist. Come at it from the users asking questions. Oh, I see. But in a conversation form? Hmm. I like it. Yeah, it's memorable. So you think about some other person asking a question. How do I use this? What does it do? Are there things I should know about? Where can I use it? Are there other things related to this? That makes sense. And eventually those questions, because so you just write the answers without thinking about it. Oh, they become so rote. You just write the answers without thinking about it. Yeah. Yeah, this is one of the entry points. There's mainly two. Let's go to service info is used to populate. A bit Socratic, but less teach and more show. Got it. Let's see. How do you do Rust in this? Let's see. Do hide sections. Sorry. So in this case, somebody might call equals buyer. We'll call in service info, bang. And they would use that to initialize something. Right? Oh, you use pound to hide it from the markdown. Okay. Let's see that, and I want. What am I looking for? Oh, no, I was looking for here. Okay. Let's close that for a bit. Come back to Ghost TTY. Go to the right project. No, that's not it. Really? How did I do that? Oh, you can use block comments with the. Is it two? Is it slash slash star? I don't remember. Are things inside? Oh, I see. So if you're inside of a module, you use the bang, otherwise not. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I get it. Yeah, let's change this. What happened to my spacing? Oh, I went one too far. There we go. This could go somewhere else. Hmm. Now, do I have to include like a main or something like that in here? Or does it automatically include that for us? I think this might fail for not having Tokyo. Oh, it makes a function. Okay. No, that's not what I want. Cargo test doc. Is it plural? Ooh, lovely. Okay. Okay. think we might need that, but here, let's see if we don't first. Okay, that's the wrong one. I'm looking for, I think, the bottom one. Completely agreed. I'd rather it be a little bit more verbose and people don't have to find something. So I've had to do that before. Look at the source code of documentation to see where something was coming from. No, settings in this case. Let's just grab it. Settings. Line 14. Oh, that's way up here. 49. Interesting. Yes. Do I really want to force snafu on people? No. It's funny. I use snafu all over the place now, and I really like it. Um, I'm slowly getting better at it. Right, I'm not a fantastic user of it. However, in documentation, I don't know, or at least in Buyer, I don't know if it should be opinionated about errors. Is it? I mean, it uses snafu, but it's thin. The stuff that it's providing, they use different things. Okay. Listen host name. Expect a result. Okay, yes. Full name. Interesting. So in this case, this needs to be up here. And then we have these inside of it. A big pro tip for big documentation sessions, make an example stir and write all your example code in ext1 and copy paste those into your doc comments. Oh, yes. That is a great great tip. Okay. I'll have to go in a minute, but I'll probably do that here. That's a fantastic idea. Hold, hold on. Why was it having an error with this doc test? This function should return result or because we're doing that. But we're inside of a main. Okay, I'm not sure what it means. Oh, line 141. Got it. Here. Yes. Okay. Fine. Fine. Michael Land, thank you for the follow. Missing name in metrics and version. What? Line 118. Here. Oh, somehow I commented that out. Okay, that's my fault. You have a new project idea? You're going to turn CCS into a library and make a cargo doc session. CDS, probably. That'll just do -w missing docs and ignore all their lins. Oh, nice. Oh, that would be helpful. So you can go from one place. Yes. Okay. You can't capture dynamic environment in 42. Here. Oh, and service info. Where did it go? Here. Okay. Okay. So that works now. No, it doesn't. Oh, the following required arguments were not provided. Well, it compiles. Um, all right. Well, I have to run. Um, this has been fun. I'll have to figure out how to get it not to run. It's actually someone you need. Huh. Let's Well, Musean, are you going to stream? I can read you. Well, I have to run. So let's see. Sorry, Musean, not sure if you missed it. Did you want to stream? All right. You should have done it today. Yeah. Ah, okay. Perfect. Later then. All right. We're going to raid future code. He's doing some leak code Rust stuff. Until next time, y'all. Bye bye.